We're back at Hooton Park Hangars again, a fabulous building, to talk more buses. We're not driving buses today, instead we are meeting London Bus Restoration, who some of you may recognise. It was Routemasters for Hire.
Routemaster for Hire.
Routemester for Hire was the old channel, run by a chap called Dave,
That's
I
it,
think,
yeah.
who went off yachting and left you guys slightly in limbo, but you've now started your own YouTube channel.
Yeah, we came back here. And
Yeah.
There's been lots of people all saying they missed the videos and updates on things we were doing, so we thought we'd set up a new channel, didn't we?
Yeah.
Super.
The old channel ended rather abruptly, and people quite obviously want to see the continued restoration of this bus.
Yeah.
So we thought, we chatted it over, and we thought, well, why not? We'll give it a go.
Super. So what can you tell me about this bus, RT2629?
Yeah, so I bought it back in October 2019, I think it was.
Yeah.
It came here first because we didn't have any room back at the unit where Dave was.
Yeah.
And then it was harder to do the mechanical work. So it then went over to Dave's. The engine, mechanical, chassis, everything's been completely rebuilt, the last nut and bolt. So
Yeah.
I'll show you that.
Bring the camera over. I'll take the camera shot. Need height. Oh yeah, so we can see the chassis all been done, and the engine. Oh, look at that!
And the engine was everything: new liners, new pistons, new big ends, new mains.
Yeah.
Everything.
Gosh.
The same with the brakes: new bearings, new shoes, everything. So the mechanical side of it's complete.
The bodywork a little less so?
The bodywork a little less so. So then when Routemaster for Hire finished, we came back here.
Yeah.
And then in the last couple of months, we've just started stripping the bodywork, so it's now, there's no panels, window pans, anything left on it. The window pans are the hardest thing to get for an RT, because there's not many of the old stock bits left, so we're having stuff made and building stuff up.
It's never cheap or easy with buses, is it?
No, it's always expensive.
Wow, so you've got aluminium panels over a wood structure?
Yeah, mainly wood structure, but there's steel work in it as well.
Oh yeah.
So all the uprights are like a steel channel section.
Yeah.
And then you've got stress panels at the rear that support the platform on the back end.
Blimey.
And then all the interconnecting pieces and waste rails.
Blimey, so a big old job.
It's a big old job.
Yeah.
There's a lot of woodwork and fabrication. So, like you said earlier, you've got to be good at everything. Sort of thing. I know a bit about doing a little bit of everything, but you sort of learn as you go along, don't you?
So, just in case you weren't aware, the bus is unfit. So, how unfit has it been? How bad actually is it once you started stripping it down?
It's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. There's a lot of the upstairs framework is actually quite salvageable.
Oh, good.
It's more the lower stuff. I mean, it did have part sort of little bits done in about 1983.
Yeah.
It failed its MOT because it was owned by the North London Transport Society.
Okay.
So they stopped using it then, and they did start doing little bits, but it was bought and dry stored till I bought it, which has done it a world of good because you know all the sort of complicated bits are actually really solid.
So when did it come out of service? Because these ran till about 79, I think?
Yeah, it ran till 79 as a
so
trainer.
this was right till the end?
Yeah, the last 4 or 5 years it ran as a trainer. So again, it was probably well looked after. It wasn't doing the sort of
it wasn't doing the daily grind.
Yeah.
Wow. So what else is being covered on your YouTube channel?
We cover the little bits we do a sort of side piece. We're doing this RF engine at the moment.
Okay.
Which is hiding under a sheet.
Can we look inside?
We can.
Have you done the big reveal on your channel yet? Because
I've
I've seen the video of you removing this engine.
Yeah, the first removal video's out. But the strip down isn't yet. So this is a.
Oh, here we go then. Sneak peek.
And you can actually see if you're looking here, the Bronton crankshaft, which is where the noise was coming from. If you can just see the brake on it down there.
Look at the size of that.
Yeah.
And something that strikes me instantly with bus restorations, everything is massive and everything is really, really
Everything's
heavy.
really heavy.
Yeah.
Everything's hard to move about.
So that's your RT. What are the other buses on your channel?
Shall I go first?
You go 1st.
I'll go first. This is my Routemaster,
Yeah.
which I've had for nearly 5 years.
Okay.
So it's, well, it doesn't need any restoration work on it, but there's still plenty to do on it.
As always.
They're
yeah,
never finished.
Yeah.
You always find something to do. And you never got any money in your pocket either, have you?
No, we
No.
both know that.
Yeah. So this is a fairly late one?
Yes, numerically, it's the second highest survivor of the standard RMs.
Gosh.
And it's the highest numbered one with an AEC engine as well.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah. So the engine's a bit tatty, but I am planning to get it repainted at some point when funds permit.
Oh, that's fine. That looks like an engine.
But that's the original AEC lump that most of them
You're
are
adding
fitted.
it to my job list, don't you?
It's one of the jobs
Yeah.
Tim's
Yeah.
got to do, yeah.
That'll be a video
Super.
at some point, won't it?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Or a
because
couple of videos.
the one we've driven had the Cummins engine,
That's
which I
right.
did love
Yeah.
the sound of,
Yeah.
but you can't beat a proper AEC engine.
I
Sorry,
must-
Pete.
I must admit I'm a bit of a purist.
Yeah.
I do like them as they were intended, but I understand why people have modern engines in them, of course I do.
Yeah, well, of course, they were fitted in service
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
as well. Yeah.
And it extends their life, so
Yeah,
all good.
super.
Yeah.
And what is your bus?
So my
Right
other
here.
bus is the LH that's here.
Mm-hmm.
So there's only probably 4 or 5 of these that survive.
Oh, wow.
At London Transport semi-automatic ones.
Yeah.
So this was my first restoration, and
Mm-hmm.
then when I'd got part way through this, I thought, I could do with doing another one, which is when I bought the RT.
Part way through, not finished.
No, not finished. No, I thought, no, I'm running out of this. So,
Yeah. Oh, wow.
For punishment.
Yeah.
It's pretty much as original, inside and
Beautiful.
out. So,
Yeah, and it's lovely to see because obviously people say London bus, they think Routemaster, they think RTs.
yeah.
So it's nice to see some of the other buses
Yeah.
restored. The interior, have you seen the interior? Come and look at the interior on this bus. Is it okay to step
yeah,
aboard?
help yourself, yeah.
I'm going to put the carpet back. Yeah, come and look at the marvellous moquette in here. I love the matching cushions.
Yeah, they were there
They're lovely.
courtesy of a friend, those are.
Yeah,
So,
super.
well,
Probably-
this had been in a field for pretty much 20 years.
Oh, wow.
They'd been outside for a long time, so all the floors had rotten out and
Oh.
everything's in, all new floor. All
Big job then.
everything's-
So how long did that take you from
This was
field
about
to this?
3 years.
Wow. That strikes me as pretty quick as
Yeah.
far
It
as
was
these things
pretty
go.
quick, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
cool. And what's the mechanical makeup of these?
So it's a Leyland 401 engine.
Mhm.
It's about 6 litres.
Okay.
And then it's an SCG semi-automatic gearbox, which is different because all the other LHs, most of them are manual.
Oh, blimey.
So there's very few that are actually
Yeah.
semi-auto.
Were all the London ones semi-autos? or-
All the long London ones like this were semi-autos. They had some shorter ones and country ones that were
Yeah, yeah.
manuals. But,
Blimey.
yeah.
There we go. We are aboard enjoying the moquette. So where can people find your channel?
If you head to London Bus Restoration,
Are you on the social
On,
media as well?
we're not yet, are we?
Not
But
yet.
We'll probably set
We are
something
going to
up.
set
Don't
something
bother,
up.
it's a nightmare.
Is it? Oh, okay.
But London Bus Restoration on the old YouTube.
Yeah,
that's
that's
right,
it.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Super. Well, yeah, check them out. And obviously, when there are open days, some of their buses will be out for people to see and have rides on.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah.
definitely.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
definitely.
Yeah.
So, Hooton Park Hangars, well worth having a look for. You can find them on Facebook, and they have one of those websites as well. Well, thank you very much, guys.
Cheers,
Yeah.
thank you.
And
Yeah.
thank you for watching. And we shall see you in another video. Farewell.